Alright, I'm videotaping you.
Come on. I don't have a cupcake. This isn't going to work.
Hold on! I can't give up yet.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
No, it takes a lot of practice.
No, not me.
Here, you're close and you're strong.
What am I doing?
You're holding me.
I'm holding you. Okay.
You love me?
Let's go.
Pedal.
Whoa, whoa. Look up at Zach.
Mom, you can't. Mom, you can't lean. You have to keep your center of balance right before the tire.
Tom, come here. I need you.
She needs you, not me. That was a
I
little
can
too.
do this.
Mom, we should buy you a unicycle.
Okay, watch, wait. Let me get my bearings. Don't leave me.
Stay at school, you can be riding that thing in your class.
Get a motorized unicycle.
You'd be the most popular teacher ever.
She can do it.
On the first day of art, just ride in on a unicycle.
I'm afraid I'm going to be an instant soprano.
Backwards is easier than forwards, Nick.
Because you're leaning back. If you try leaning forward a little bit, it'll be easier to go forward.
Okay. Either that or fall on your face.
Oh, you're doing it!